Hi, I'm Rowan. Today we're going to replace the paracord on a Honeywell space heater. So I labeled it to avoid use, and I diagnosed this earlier, and I saw that the problem was the cord. So these rubber feet are going to come out, and there's going to be screws under here. It's a torque. It looks like a T10. That's it. We'll pop it in here and take it out. So here I'm on the last screw. When we're done, we're gonna take the bottom off and see what's under here, and then we're gonna try to get to the cord and try to take the cord out and fix it. So now we have one of the black wires going up into this safety switch, and we have the other one going up into here. So first we're going to take this and unscrew this little clip, the one that's holding the two wires together. And then after that, we're going to unplug the safety switch after the clip is taken out. So now we're going to take this clip off, and then we're going to unscrew this safety switch, so that we can unplug it. We got the screw out, and now we're going to take out the safety clip. This seems to not want to come out. So we can't get the wire out of the switch, so we're going to cut these zip ties and see where we can shorten this wire. 1, 2. So now I'm gonna try to figure out how to fix this. Let's see what's under here. It's soldered. Since it's soldered, I'm just gonna cut it down here and strip it, and cut it up here and strip it. So then we're going to cut it right here. There's that. And so the deeper in the jaws you go, the easier it is. So there. Now it's cut. So we just cut the wire, and now we're going to strip the wire. Most wires had the gauge printed on it. This one is a 16 gauge. So we're going to stick it in the 16 hole, about that much. Close it, rotate it a little bit, pull it off. So we're still trying to strip these wires. There's one, there's the other one. It would be best if you put it in and rotate it, put it in again, take it out, rotate it, put it in again, and just pull. So now we're going to attach the wire nuts. The wire nuts are color-coded for size: red for large, yellow for medium, and orange for small. So when you're placing a wire nut with stranded wires, you place the wires next to each other, and you twist them together. And then you take your wire nut, yellow looks good for this, and you twist it on. And then we'll do these other ones. Make sure you're always turning the wire nut clockwise like a screw. And it's on. So now that we wire nutted the wires, we're going to use our electric tape to avoid sparks. We're going to start right here on the wire and wrap it up and up and up until we reach the top. I think the hardest part about this thing is getting the tape off of the roll. So now we're done one wire nut. Almost, and there we go, one wire nut done. Cut your tape. So we're done the first wire nut. Now you want to get it nice and tight in there to avoid all sparks. Just wrap the tape around. Give it a little shove. Wrapping it around. So, yep. Yeah, we're just gonna. When you're doing this, it's best to use a small roll of tape. Yeah, now that we're done the wrapping up the wire nuts, cutting the wires, we're going to plug it in, see if it works. Daddy. I have my extension cord. Throw that down there. Holding the safety. Works. So now we're going to repair the bottom. Thankfully, we haven't run into any problems into here. So we're going to hook the screw on, put the screw on there, hook the switch in. Let's get that in there. Now we'll start this one. Okay, so we just installed the safety switch. Now we just make a loop here and then shove it in here and take it like this. That's going to prevent it from being yanked down. Turn it like this, shove it in there. Got a little white clip here. Hook it on. Now we're going to take a screw, put that in here. So we're putting these two screws in. Let's just finish up on the first. Moving on to the second. And let's just get them nice and tight. We don't want the wire to come loose. Next screw. Put this up. Enter the first screw, and you want to get the second screw in, and you don't want to tighten the first screw up, or else your little clip will turn with it. Once you get your second screw in, make it tight, then move to your first screw, tighten that up. So we just finished adding the screws, and now we want to get these in good. Make sure they're not covering up any of your screw areas. Grab your panel board, hook it up. Take one of your small screws. This screw, just don't make them too tight or you'll strip the threads out. Get it in there, nice and easy. And then you want to hook these pads on, rubber feet. There. There.